Hey everyone. We are vibing. Well, it's time to hopefully finish some things. Alright, let's get started. Let's set some other things up very quickly. I kind of forgot to do that within the first minute. Hey Rory, what's up? Right. I think we're still doing this one. Not doing the packing yet. We have the unique orientation and the cases, and we should have the same for the other one. Which one is this? Alright, so let's check all arrangements. That's the one that we wanted to kind of finalize. Oh yeah, same here. What a coincidence. All universities have the same schedule. Okay. So where we were returning this, which was interesting. What does this loop end? Okay, so if the boolean doesn't need to be adjusted, there's that. So here we're gonna do something pretty revolutionary. Okay. So it's this one. So last time we left off here, we wanted to try to fit the other orientation. I think it should be a different place, because it's already over there. Yeah, hopefully finals went well for you. I believe the perfect place to put it is... Okay. Yeah. I guess at the start there. I think we should have a different set. Seems kind of convoluted. So we have unique cases 2, I think. Let's see it. should be down here. Unique cases. Let's get priority information. That's a bit different. Okay. We should have the second unique cases. This orientation is a number, I believe. It's an integer between 1 and 2. We have quite a few magic variables, and it's kind of a a funny part about some things happening. How much of your country is in high elevation? It's a new question that you need to find out. So, here we have unique cases alternate, which should get the alternate unique cases. For alternate orientation, that should equal 1. If orientation 1. That's a pretty simple switch. So we'll go see the orientation. What is happening there? Am I on the right page? Yes, I am. Okay. The unique character series. You don't know where it went. I'm very sure it was here before. Okay. Probably, no, it's not quick damage. Okay. So that was the one that I was confused by, for the name. But I think for check ready or unique cases, yeah, it's definitely between 1 and 2. And that's a little bit of the switch over there. So that's nice. And I think what I'll do, I'll just have another set of variables. So even though it's going to be a lot more verbose, I think it'll be very helpful for me to actually go and finish that. So yeah, we have unique case here. So that's very interesting. So let's just take all these. Okay. So the class should be the same, so we can share that. That's the only thing that's really shared. Alternate orientation. Mainly for readability purposes. Yeah, just trying to keep that maintainable is pretty important. On another note, I'm really glad that most Canadian raw eggs are safe, because I really enjoy them in dishes and not die from salmonella. But there's some stuff that you kind of need in that regard for quite a few dishes. Yeah. Guess we just the control. Put it in front or in the middle? Probably in the middle. The altitude, what's up? Altitude representing. The name is also very accurate because altitude is always at an altitude. I think I'll just put the 2 in the middle. Will definitely not be confusing whatsoever. It's probably one of the better options, I guess, aesthetically. In the cases 2 is not identified, so I'll have to check. They call it alternate. Altitude of 9, that's true. 9 meters or feet above sea level. Or above the Earth's atmosphere. Could be either one. You never know. That's pretty alright. You can replace all old word instances of these. Alright, that works. So if it's the same, we can actually share in this case. No, I didn't just copy that. Nope. Shift end. Yep, that's correct. So we can just utilize this. Simple replacement. The orientation has to be the alternate one. That's how that works. Okay, very nice. And then we have this. Nice. That should give us everything we want. And here we can copy this if statement, and we can have another go. So if you check if one of these works first, before we start extending in any dimension, just so that we can have the smallest possible box that we would desire, /crate. Although some crates have preferred names, like Kratos, Kratos Maximus. So now it goes through a second check to see if it works in the other dimension. Because 8 blocks in the nether means, like, no, 1 block in the overworld. 1 block in the nether means 8 blocks in the overworld. So this should work. The point now is that we have to do another check as well. So we have to kind of copy this again. It's very funny. Should also have a check though to kind of see if one of them meets a certain dimension or not. I think that would be quite helpful. So compare 2. So these are all real variables. It's interesting. This one another set? Okay, instead of duplicate another set of variables. Because we are allergic to arrays for this particular implementation. That's how it goes sometimes. Go through this check and another check. Gives me a lot of checks. Takes and captures. Okay, so that's a thing now that we can use. Just like 2. Looks like 2, max adjust length. Adjust length. Compare to actual width. Width box. There's no width box too. Adjust width. Is actually a thing? Okay, it is. Guess it makes sense to keep that convention once it's there. Compare to actual height. Height box. Width probably makes sense. Yeah. This is also 2. 2. Yeah, hopefully we don't misread anything, so that we can get the proper stones in either the influence and territory that we want in the Joseki. Just height 2. Compare to actual height. Yeah, that's pretty much it for that part. Should be good, let's just check it one more time. Yeah, so everything looks here, it's just the same thing. And then what we want to do after is to now compare both and then send the best result to max adjust 1. Yeah, so we'll kind of do like a sum of the dimensions. I wonder if we should do like a Pythagorean sum or power sum. Some other kind of smoothing activation function that we can do. And I guess qualitatively, you can just say which one has the biggest dimension changes overall. So let's do just. I think it should be outside because it's still within the loop, correct? Yeah, it's still in the loop. So let's escape the loop first before we kind of simplify. So we need to do this once because it's outside the loop. So that's pretty happy with that. Thank you for the like. Very cool. What is this? Adjust. This. So I guess we'll just do kind of linear. Unless we start getting some problems due to players just finding it doesn't work out for them. Because we'll probably have players who want to optimize their boxes, then we can kind of change and experiment to see which one works the best. It really depends. Yeah, basically the same thing. Practice typing a bit more. Definitely getting a bit rusty. Just pull 2. It's greater than just pull 1. Okay. Yeah, let me just have max just height equals max just height 2. This part's definitely not rocket science. It's it's nice and relaxing change of pace. That's nice to see. Okay, so that kind of stays the same. And we can have similar things. So we can try to test that out actually. So in the case of a box, we should have it be longer if the box is already kind of long. So let's just put that into practice. Okay, that's the hard way. Background stripper clip. Yeah, the UI is a bit annoying when it moves around. Trying to see what I can do. Kind of change that. Especially when it comes to kind of extending it through like height instead of just wrapping around. Well, I have to find the text wraparound function. Text wrap sounds nice. Those loaded ammunition. Say we put the infantry rifle in the list. So let's say 2, and then it's like pretty interesting like this. So you can have something like that. Should give us a value. 947, 74, 1,200. Length with height. That's what we want. Huh. Let's see why that is. So that's not the expected result. So. What did I choose? Upright. Just pull these numbers. Don't mean anything right now. What other print statements do we have here? Yeah, I don't see anything else that should print a bunch of numbers yet. That's a bit concerning. You have another string? Okay. But something is up. It's over here. I see, I see. We don't need that anymore, so we figured out the solution to that problem, I believe. So that should result in no more messages. I think I did save it. So I'll do that quickly. Nice. No? Apparently not. 32, 28, 32, 28. Hello? I'm very confused. Let's pull out the actual crate. I guess it's coming from there. Okay, well, I'm getting ghost messages. That's fun. Yeah, that should not happen. That's a bit strange. Just a little bit peculiar, as some say. A minuscule amount of tomfoolery. don't know where that's coming from. It's not a good sign. I think it may be coming from the components themselves. But we'll have to check at a later date. So, over here... Where were we? I was just trying to find the print message. I guess we can't. So... Go back up. Yeah, so the problem is that we have a really tall box, even though we don't want it to be. That sucks. What happens if we remove this one? Remove. Let's go check. Yeah, that should remove it for sure. Oh, it doesn't. I thought it did. Hopefully the design feature works properly. Try that again. Add that to the list. We delete one of them. Okay. That should show that we delete something. That does work. But that doesn't apparently. Why does it not? Temp index 2. Where does that come from? Oh, I see, I see. I guess we should reset the temp index in that case. That makes sense. Okay, so that's a bit of a skill issue problem, but it's also really annoying because most people won't understand why that happened, which is my problem. So let's go back to the remove. Where is it? Oh, here. Yeah, for some reason that search wasn't working very well. Interesting. So this one is already indexed. I think this affects something else as well. Doesn't? Okay, no, it's being red, so I think we can deal with that. I wonder if I should make them share categories as the easy user accessibility thing. Well, it's not that easy, but it could be. I think it might be nice to have. Maybe with the index is changed. That could be a possibility. Two different functions in that case, for the triggers. So, yeah, not good. At least it works if you put nothing in. Didn't even test that. Even consider that to be a possibility, so. Good work. Oh, something happened. Oh, okay, I see. I didn't put anything in it. Yeah, so that means a bit of an error exception. Try to go back though. Elf gets loaded. 5 rounds strictly quick. And then we also, so we just want that for now, because we just wanted to test your original dimensions. That's that one. We should have a clear auto design here. Yeah, we can see that it's 947, so not sure what's up with that. I guess we do a bit of more investigation. So then check all arrangements. So what we have is the part of the function that does the max adjustment. The max adjust length, height. So if you don't find anything wrong right now, we can just capture it for later. It'd be very nice. Oh, it's probably because... yeah, I think I had a problem here as well. Oh no, I didn't. Yeah, not sure what's up in this particular case. So this is fine. Nothing wrong with that. Very cool, very cool. Currently compared clip type is 2 as well. I guess I can put it here, although I don't think it makes a particular difference in that instance. What else? There are new clip results compared to actual width. Okay. Length 1, width 1, height 1. That makes sense. So here's is where we start to have a few issues. So it should not fit in either orientation, but just for our sake. So we'll print both of these just to check the outputs. Pinty. I love Pinty. Pinty is a great function. Alright. That should be pretty safe. Alright, so those values are gone once we close and reopen the game. I find very curious. Yeah, so that suddenly ballooned quite a bit. Oh, yeah, we should switch the adjustable. So which one would run smaller? That one makes a lot more sense if we choose the smaller one. So 1, 2, 3, 174, 180. Looks like a pretty reasonable choice to me. But with this max adjust pool, we have to make sure that it fits both things. Oh, and I get my first ever spam comment? Wow, it's crazy. Never believed that would happen. But here we are. We've made it to the big leagues. Yeah, we actually have to do a bit of an in-house thing here. So in this already, we have to pick the biggest one. Because this doesn't work for multiple items, I just realized. So that's a cool development to have. Oh, it's just a guy that says promo SM everywhere. That's pretty funny. So it is my first spam bot. Accomplishments. We're going places. So adjust pool here. What we want. What do we want? We're going to take this local design, or this local pool here. And what I think we're going to do is that we are going to, we're going to take the smallest adjust pool locally, which makes sense. But otherwise, we change the adjust pool to be larger. That should make sense. So what we can do here is to We have these three over here. The trio. So that automatically becomes balanced, and it should fit everything inside, hopefully. That's kind of the ideal. So we have that little flippy flopper there. About this. The small railway latch they can use to solve the trolley problem. So if the adjustable is smaller for the second one, then we obviously want the smaller adjustment. And then otherwise, if number 1 is the smallest adjustment, then we can recompare. It actually works pretty well. So we can do the same step. Let's say first. What do we have? Alright, so we should have a longer box with a smaller top. And this makes sense because it can fit both the rifle and also a bunch of evenly spaced clips loaded with cartridges. So we've solved something over there. Quite happy with it. Now we want to get into the packing stage. So before we get into the packing stage, let's actually set the crates and composition and whatnot. Although we actually need a packing stage first. So let's close this, and then we can move into implementing the packing part. So what's going to happen here is we're probably going to duplicate this interface. What interface is that? Let's peep. So we have this little intermediate interface there. Create packing. I think crate packing can be the same screen. But I feel like we can only do something like crate packing once we're already locked the crate up, if that makes sense. So we'll kind of have to see how that goes. We actually don't need to make that a different screen, now that I think about it. That can be the exact same as this. Okay. I think that would work. So yeah, let's delete this interface. So we'll try to reduce the amount of screens as much as we can. So what we want is the flesh. We have a locked thing. I think it makes sense to have a pop-up. So, where's the delete this sign? Confirmation dialog. Okay. Locked. I'll have the same interface shit. And I Xinjin Wei here sing. Kowtow? Tick. Yeah, it's called Tick. I believe. So we have a locked, and then we have a hacking. It's actually a bit more complex than I thought it would be. So is pressed is going to be mode. And then we tell go hey go down. Cool. So once we have that, we can add our third interface, which is the packing interface. So this is when this becomes pretty important, since we'll have two different scroll containers. And they'll be managed by the same button, because we can't do that. Would you be happy being a fish? Is one of the greatest questions of all time. In为变咗嘅嘢會因為變咗嘅嘢，你會危害嗰度你個I can't grammarize that. But also, you'll be a very sad fish. That's why you do not want to be a fish. Okay, let's go faster. So we got to the top-ish. Yeah, this is where we want to be. I'm surprised. So yeah, more hide and show checkboxes to utilize. And then we'll kind of put those at the bottom. So what we have is going to be this checkbox. And get into packing mode. That works. Good work. Is that a hider shell? Bit confused. Oh, it's hider shell. Okay. So we're gonna need a show or hide checkbox instead of a hide or show checkbox. That should work. And it needs to be locked to see the packing mode option. Because the packing mode is based on a very concrete design that you already have, so you can copy that. But copying, of course. I believe that's interface 4, is it? They're not one object, so I'll have to do 2 of these. Very cool. This is a vibe. Press that to see packing mode. Where'd it go? I guess I just hit it forever accidentally. Is Backblast a myth? Let us try it on your friends. What is lane pilled? Crazy. That's a crazy determiner. Huh. There's no reason for that to disappear. Accidentally give something the same name. This is show or hide as well. Show or hide. Item list. Is that part of the object? Not sure why it's not there. I don't see any contradiction there. Why is it not showing? It should be there. Yeah, it's very odd. It disappears apparently. Is there a... Hold the gap. But for this particular button? For real? As people would say. Based on their research, you can tell. Why is this so annoying? Oh, is it not moving? It's kind of annoying. Why is it just stuck there? Layout. Container sizing. This is really strange. Shouldn't be fixed like that. Oh, I guess not. Also, that was blending in for a second. Like, wait a second, what? My game could do that? No way. Of course it can't. Makes sense. That shouldn't happen. Yeah, they're already hidden. I don't see what's up with that. Expand that slightly. What? Oh, I did turn off the scroll container. That's... I guess it's because... Why is this the case? Let me think through that for a second. There's scroll container 1, scroll container 2. I don't get it. Hmm. So that shows up. Interface 2 has never been called, so... It does. Good work. Now interface 2. That goes 3's checkbox. That's a double false condition. How do we do the thing? Is that pressed? Load. Where's our load function? Yeah, I'm not really feeling it too well. I need to vibe a bit differently. Get some work done. It's not end the stream now. Have a great night, everyone.